Sa video natin today, pag-uusapan natin kung worth it pa bang gamitin ng IPVanish, lalo na kung ang goal mo ay manood ng Netflix, live sports, o pay-per-view events without dealing with blackouts, geo-restrictions, or sudden app errors. Hi guys, kamusta? Ako nga pala si Ashley Robots and we're gonna get into all the nitty and gritty details of IPVanish. Sa totoo lang, wala nang mas nakakainis pa than trying to watch a game or stream a show only to see this content isn't available in your region. Nakaka-frustrate, minsan biglaan pa at madalas hindi alam ng mga tao na yung streaming problems mo kadalasan dahil sa location data, not your Wi-Fi. A good VPN solves that by changing your IP address, but not all VPNs are built the same. Kaya today, explore natin kung ano talaga ang ina-offer ng IPVanish, kung kamusta ang performance niya pagdating sa streaming at sports, at kung bagay ba siya sa setup mo. Simulan na natin. So first off, ano nga ba ang IPVanish? Ang IPVanish ay isang VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, that helps you bypass location blocks, hide your real IP address, and stream content nang walang restrictions. Niraroute nito yung traffic mo through encrypted servers around the world, kaya mukha kang nasa ibang location. Kaya mong ma-access ang US Netflix kahit nasa abroad ka, avoid sports blackout, or unlock regional pricing on pay-per-view events habang secured at private pa rin ang connection mo. Kapag nag-try ka mag-stream habang nasa biyahe, access a game that's blacked out in your area, o i-connect lahat ng devices mo sabay-sabay, malamang na-experience mo na yung usual hassle. Region restrictions, buffering, login limits, or drop VPN connections. Here's how IPVanish handles each of those challenges gamit ang core features nila. Una, unlimited device connections. Karamihan sa VPNs may limit na 5 o 6 na devices lang. Kung gamit mo iPhone, laptop, smart TV, and tablet, o kung share pa kayo ng partner mo or roommate, laging may nakikick out. Well, ang IPVanish ay talagang may unlimited device connections. That means you can protect every screen in your home, stream Netflix on your Fire Stick, watch YouTube TV on your iPad, check scores on your iPhone, at connected pa rin ng laptop mo. Lahat yan sabay-sabay gamit lang ang isang account. Walang micromanaging ng logins, walang palit-palit kung aling device ang uunahin, at walang extra charges para sa dagdag na access. Sunod, mabilis at reliable na streaming even in high traffic scenarios. So VPNs are notorious for slowing down your connection, at malaking problema yan lalo na kung nag-try ka mag-stream ng pay-per-view event, manood ng live sports, o mag-binge ng 4K Netflix series without lag or buffering. Ang IPVanish ay talagang optimized for speed. Gumagana ang global network nila sa high-performance infrastructure na may support para sa modern protocols tulad ng WireGuard, which gives you both speed and stability. In real-world use, ibig sabihin nito ay mabilis mag-switch ang server, smooth na HD or 4K playback, at walang abala kahit peak hours ng streaming. Kahit nakakonect ka sa home network o gamit mo ay public Wi-Fi, okay pa rin ang performance at walang throttling. Next, may over 100 global server locations to bypass geo-blocks. Let's just say you try to access Netflix, Hulu, or NFL game, and instead you get hit with not available in your region error. Kung nag-travel ka o may regional blackouts, it can feel impossible to get the content you paid for. Ang ginagawa ng IPVanish ay meron silang thousands of servers spread across 100 cities and countries, kaya sobrang flexible kung gusto mong i-bypass ang restrictions. Pwede ka mag-connect sa US server para ma-access ang local Netflix library mo kahit nasa abroad ka. At kung may NFL game na naka-blackout sa state mo, just switch to another US server and stream without issues. Gamit na gamit din tong feature na to para ma-unlock ang pay-per-view events sa mas murang price by connecting to countries where the event is available or cheaper. Next, compatible siya sa lahat ng major platforms. Some VPNs only give you full features on desktop apps, but most of us stream from TVs, phones, tablets, or even directly through apps like Fire Stick kahit hindi supported ng VPN mo yung mga yon. It's practically useless when you need it most. So gumagana ang IPVanish sa halos lahat ng platforms na gamit mo pang stream. That includes iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, routers, and dedicated apps for Amazon Fire Stick and Android TV. Yung Fire Stick app is fully featured and built for ease of use, kaya hindi mo na kailangan ng second device o clunky setup to stream directly from your TV. Kaya kahit nagta-travel ka, nasa bahay, o nakakonect sa public Wi-Fi, IPVanish gives you flexible protection kahit saan ka nakakonect. Next, yung kill switch at split tunneling, which is now on all devices. Kapag biglang nawala ang VPN connection mo, pwedeng ma-expose ang totoong IP address mo, which can lead to apps detecting your true location and cutting off your stream. Yung ibang VPNs don't even offer kill switch or split tunneling on mobile or streaming devices, which leaves major gaps in protection. Kaya ang ginawa ng IPVanish, nilabas nila ang kill switch and split tunneling sa lahat ng major devices including iPhone, Android, macOS, Windows, on Fire TV, and Android TV. Yung kill switch ay naka-offer bilang secondary companion app, smart na paraan para sa low-end devices na hindi kayang isupport ng maayos ang feature na to sa main VPN app. Sa setup na to, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang protection mo kahit biglang mawala saglit yung connection. Split tunneling also gives you control over which which apps use the VPN and which ones don't. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga streaming services na sensitive sa region pero hindi naman kailangan ng encrypted traffic para sa ibang apps. Next, malakas na security at may verified na no logs policy. Kasi may ibang VPNs na sinasabi lang na private sila pero nagtatago pa rin ng logs sa backend or just don't publish enough details for users to verify their claims. Pero kung nagsistream ka ng sensitive content, gamit mo ay public wifi o gusto mo lang ng peace of mind, hindi sapat ang vague na privacy policies. Kaya ang IPVanish ay gumagamit ng bank-grade AES 256 encryption para protektahan ang data mo kasama ng DNS leak protection and verified na no logs policy. Yung privacy claims were independently audited, meaning a third-party security firm reviewed their systems to confirm that no user activity is stored or tracked. Dahil dito, solid option ang IPVanish, hindi lang para mag-unlock ng content, kundi para rin mapanatiling private ang activity mo. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ng actual performance lalo na sa Netflix, NFL games, at pay-per-view. Kayang i-unlock ng IPVanish ang maraming Netflix libraries kasama ng US, UK, Canada, and a few others. Some servers might not work perfectly every single time pero kadalasan, switching sa ibang city usually solves the issue. Pwede ka rin makapag-access ng iba't ibang platforms tulad ng Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus pero minsan kailangan lang ng konting trial and error. Ngayon, NFL games. Kung may local blackout restrictions, IPVanish helps you get around them. Connect ka lang sa server sa ibang state na hindi nakablock yung game and you're good to go. So this works super well with streaming platforms like NFL Plus, YouTube TV, and more. Ngayon naman sa pay-per-view events, ang IPVanish ay maganda para ma-unlock ang pay-per-view content, lalo na kung limited lang ito sa ibang bansa o mas mura sa ibang regions. Kumonect ka lang sa country kung saan available yung event, bilhin mo at makakapag-stream ka na. Overall, nagbibigay ang IPVanish ng mabilis na speed and reliable na access para sa karamihan ng major streaming platforms, lalo na kung okay lang sa'yo na mag-switch ng server paminsan-minsan. Ngayon, tignan naman natin ang pricing before I show you what IPVanish actually looks like. Kung gusto mong makasigurong best price ang makukuha mo, use our link in the description below. Once you click that, now we can click subscribe now. So may ilang options sila dito. Merong monthly, 24 months, and 12 months. Kung gusto mong makasigurong best price ang makukuha mo, highly recommended ko yung 24 months. This just brings it to $2.19 per month. Pero kung gusto mo munang magsimula sa monthly, nasa $12.99 per month yan. At yung 12-month plan naman ay $3.33 kada buwan. Ang cool din sa IPVanish, meron silang 30-day money-back guarantee para sa 12 and 24-month plan. Kaya kung hindi mo siya magustuhan o feeling mo hindi siya fit para sa'yo, pwede mong ma-refund ang binayad mo. So, piliin mo lang yung payment method mo tapos kailangan mo i-download yung app. Sundan mo lang yung instructions para ma-download ito pagtapos mag-sign in ka gamit ang account mo. So, ganito ang itsura ng IPVanish sa loob. Makikita mo dito yung home, locations, security tools, at iba pang settings na pwede mong i-check. Nandito rin yung info and yung specific account mo. Pag pumasok ka na sa locations, pwede ka mag-search dito ng kahit anong location tapos i-click mo yung connected ka na agad. Ganun lang kasimple. Pwede ka rin pumili ng default location kung gusto mo. So again, it's very, very easy. Pwede mo rin i-click yung disconnect dito kapag tapos ka na. Para sa akin, it's very important to be simple and easy to use. And IPVanish is very simple and straightforward, which I love. Okay, ngayon pag-usapan naman natin yung pros and cons na IPVanish. Isa sa pinakamalaking advantage ng IPVanish ay yung limited device connections. Most VPNs cap you at 5 or 6 pero sa IPVanish pwede mo protektahan lahat ng devices mo sa bahay or on the go with one account. No limits and no extra charges, which is huge. Consistent din ang IPVanish sa pag-deliver ng strong performance para sa HD and 4K streaming nang walang data caps at walang throttling. Kaya kahit nanonood ka ng live sports o nagbe-binge watch ng series, buffering isn't an issue. Malawak din ang server network nila with thousands of servers in over 100 locations. Kaya ang dali lang mag-bypass ng geo restrictions, mag-unlock ng region lock content, or get around local sports blackouts with just a few taps. Meron din silang solid na privacy protection. Like I mentioned, they follow a strict no-logs policy verified through independent audit. Kasama na rin dito yung features tulad ng kill switch and DNS leak protection para siguradong safe ang data mo. Lastly, clean and beginner-friendly yung interface nila. Gaya ng sinabi ko, kahit gamit mo siya sa phone, Fire Stick, o laptop, sobrang dali lang i-install, mabilis ang switch ng servers, and doesn't require any technical background. Ngayon pala tayo sa ilang cons. Kahit okay si IPVanish sa maraming sikat na streaming platforms, hindi niya laging na-unlock lahat ng library. Minsan kailangan mo talaga magpalit ng server para gumana, lalo na sa Netflix o sa bagong content platforms. Kahit madaling gamitin yung design, medyo plain pa rin ang interface kumpara sa mga modern-looking na apps. Pero simple at functional to, hindi lang masyadong flashy. Naka-base din sila sa US na part ng Five Eyes Alliance. Pero may malinaw silang steps na ginawa para protektahan ang privacy ng users tulad ng strict no-logs policy and third-party audit. Kaya para sa karamihan, hindi naman to malaking concern. At kahit walang free trial, meron silang 30-day money-back guarantee. Pwede mong i-try yung service ng walang risk at makukuha ang full refund if it doesn't and meet your needs. Para ba sa'yo ang IPVanish? Kung naghahanap ka ng VPN na may solid na streaming performance, unlimited device usage, and reliable security, sulit i-consider ang IPVanish. Hindi man siya ang pinaka-loaded sa features, but it hits all the important points: solid speed, good server options, and simple setup. Kaya kung nanonood ka ng Netflix, iniiwasan ng sports blackouts, o gusto mong maka-access ng pay-per-view event habang nasa abroad, IPVanish gives you the tools to do it. Again, isa ito sa mga VPNs that doesn't limit your devices, kaya sobrang useful ito lalo na sa mga households with multiple users. At kung gusto mong i-check out sila, nasa description sa baba yung link for you. And that wraps up this video. Kung nakatulong sa ito, huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe, mag-iwan ng comments o questions sa baba, as we absolutely love to hear from you. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.